Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video to share with you guys. Today we are going to be unboxing my July Planner Society box. I know it's already September. That's how long I've had this box and I just haven't had the chance to open it, but I'm really excited. So here we have the box. I love it. I can't wait to open it up. So we're just going to go ahead and dive right in. I've been wanting to see everything that's in here for the longest time already. And I'm excited that I finally get to share with you guys. I just love doing these unboxings with you because it makes it feel like we're all celebrating something, right? I don't know why, but the opening is always super exciting. Once you open it up, this is what the packaging looks like. Look at how gorgeous that is. I love this bag. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely beautiful. The colors are stunning. Everything is gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side. But here we go. We're going to go ahead and start with the stickers. These are the sticker sheets right here. My camera's trying to find its focus, so sorry it keeps moving. I'm going to go ahead and try to focus it. Alright, so here we have the sticker sheets that right here. Here's the little bag. It's super cute once you open it up. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Alright, so here we have the sticker sheet. So you got the full boxes. It says Shop Therapy, Lazy Day, Tropical State of Mind, Enjoy Today. That is so cute. Look at all of these gorgeous colors. I love the color combination Christy chose for this month. It's absolutely beautiful, or for the month of July. You got your headers, your tracker boxes, and little icons. Super cute. Date covers. Then we got half boxes, quarter boxes, and washi headers, or washi layer strips. Then we have these check boxes, checklist boxes that look like little clipboards. Then you have some more stickers here at the bottom. So don't forget, these are stickers. Some people bypass them and think they're part of the decorative sheet, but they're not. They're stickers. But look at how cute these are, and they do have like a gold foil. Absolutely gorgeous. I love them. So then the next one we have is this one right here. You guys, this bag is stunning. I love the bag. And I'm so sad. I'm gonna have to tear this apart. There we go. Alright, let's pop everything out. Look at how pretty this bag is. It's gorgeous. I love it. Alright, a lot of fun goodies in here. So we're just going to go ahead and start with the pen. This is what the pen looks like. So it has the same print as the bag on the bottom, and then you have this blue different pattern at the top with some florals, and the gold handle and the gold at the bottom. It's just so pretty, so beautiful to look at. And then here we have the Planner Society washi tape. So this is what this looks like. It's the same print, almost the same print as the bag. Beautiful. I love this washi tape. It's gorgeous. I love the flowers, the rose gold on it. I want to try to pull it out so that you guys can see what it looks like when it's rolled out, if I can find it. Feels like it's super stuck on there though. Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh, that's pretty stuck on there. And that's what that looks like. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. I love it. Alright, so then the next thing we have are the Plan Hello and TPS Girl paper clips. She hasn't done these kind of paper clips in a little while, and when she's done them in gold. I think this is the first time she does them in like a color combination. So this is kind of like that teal blue. It says Plan. And then we have the Hello in like a coral pink. And then we have the soft pink, which is like the baby pink, and it says TPS Girl on it. It's so cute. So cute. I love these. Super fun. Alright, next we have the die cuts. Always my favorite thing to look at. Die cuts is one of my favorite things. I feel like it makes anything look better. So this is the backing. I like to show them because I always keep them and I use them whenever I need them. Look at how cute. These are the little cards. This setting is so pretty. It has the little like the couch with the ottoman, and then you have like your decorative pieces and the handbag. Then we have the bedding scene. So pretty. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then we have another living room scene with the lights. That's so cute. Then we have this one that says lazy day. I don't want to get too close to the lens because I feel like it keeps disrupting the focus. This one says do not disturb. Yes, please. How cute. And then the girl is in different skin tones. Here we have that. And then we have this one. And then here we have all our smaller ones. So we got all our decorative die cuts, the handbag, the stand, enjoy today, the little picnic, her manicure with her cute sandals, the cactus. The cactus never fails, something that's always in Christy's spreads, or in her kits, I want to say. Same thing with the florals. It's always some kind of a floral theme, which I don't mind because I love florals. Super pretty. I love those. Next we have the adhesive pockets. Always one of my favorite things as well. I just love everything she does. So here we have the adhesive pocket. That's what it looks like. So it is a pocket at the top. Oh, this one actually has a different shape of pocket. How cool is that? She's never done this one. Here we have another one. How cute that is. And then this is the one she always does. So these two are like a little bonus. It has the scallop edge at the top. And it has the lining. This one is beautiful. I love that print. And then of course the print of the hour. This one's beautiful. Gorgeous. Then we have the bigger one. And then this is the backing. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love those. Alright, next we have the sticker sheets. These are the decorative stickers. The little pouch, the little bag is so cute. Again, you can use it to make covers, page markers, all kinds of fun stuff. Never throw it out. And the Planner Society is a subscription, so I get it every other month, but I only pay every other month, which is good for my pocket. And this is what it looks like. So here we got our decorative stickers. Here we have this one. Sorry, I have to redo my nails tonight for tomorrow, Saturday, or for Saturday. I'm filming this in advance. Alright, those are cute. And then I always look forward to her memo pads, her sticky notes, her notepads, because she always comes up with the cutest little designs. I mean, how cute is that? It has the little cactus plant. That's gorgeous. And you get a ton of sheets, which is amazing. So that's the sticky note. Then you get the ribbon, which is gorgeous. I never throw it out. You can turn it into paper clips. And then here we have the little weekly planner, which is super fun. I actually have one by my desk right now, and I just, whenever I need to write random stuff, I just put it on there. But look at how cute this is. It's so pretty. I love the size. I'm gonna have to come up with like a little DIY for these. Alright, and then next we have the word toppers. I use the word toppers a lot, especially when making my tan covers. So here we have the backing for that. Oh my goodness, she's never done the soft pink, and I'm loving it. Look at how cute these are. So you got your week's notes list, today and month. How gorgeous is that? I love that. And then here we have your prints. It's usually always one solid and one print. Here we go. Look at how pretty those are. Love those. So cute. Alright, next we have the dividers or the tabs for the dividers. So here's the backing. Gorgeous backing. Love that. Then we have the tabs for the dividers. So these are stickers. You just take them, you fold them, you put them on the edge of your planner, and then use them as the little tabs for dividers, and you write your little labels. You can either handwrite them, but she always provides sticker labels. So these have the days of the week. They have the months. It says projects, finance, meal plan, follow-up, homework, calendar. So whatever you know you're using that specific divider for, you can try to find the label in here and then just pop it on there. And this is in a soft pink, super soft pink. You can rarely see it, but it's gorgeous. In person it looks absolutely beautiful. Alright, then we have our flower, or our bow tabs is what you call these. Here we go. So you got the bow tabs. Again, you can use these as divider tabs. So you just take the flower, it's a whole sticker, you fold it down, put it on your paper, and just use it as a tab to hold your place. But look at how gorgeous this is. I love the color and print combination, so pretty. And then here we have our scalloped edges. Always something good to have. I love using these. So here we have the thin ones. Again, 2 different prints, 2 different color combinations. Beautiful, just beautiful. And then here we got the larger ones. Here we go. These are the chunkier ones, my favorite ones. I love these. And then we have our little decorative stickers. Look at how gorgeous. These are like, I call them bubble stickers, but I'm not sure what she calls them. These are so pretty. I love these. Gorgeous. Alright, and then she also sent a super cute planner pouch. Oh, I just love when she surprises us with these little goodies. Oh my goodness. So this is a super cute little like pen pouch. So you can put your pens in here, or you can put like your little cosmetics. It does have a little key ring, so you can put it on your wrist. And it does have a little tassel. It almost feels like pleather. It matches the little ring right here. It does have, I think you open it up like this. Well, anyway, I think you open it. Yeah, it does have an opening, so if you want to take it out, you can put it on your keys. And you could do something separate with this, but you can put like your money in here and just a quick, you know, little on-the-go pouch. Or you can use it for your planner pans. I love the bag. It's so pretty. It feels so nice and it smells so good. I don't know why I always smell stuff. But here we have the paper. It's the last of everything. I'm always excited to see the paper. It's one of my favorite things to do or to look forward to. I'm going to go ahead and try to open it up. Here we go. Alright. We are almost done, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching all of my latest videos and just giving them a thumbs up. It really, really helps out my channel. And I'm just so grateful for all the support you guys show me, so thank you. Alright, so let's go ahead and finish it up with this. Let's finish it up with a bang. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that. Usually get 2 of each. So here we got doubles. And then we have our lace. She's always been including a lace lately. And this is in like a beautiful teal blue. I feel like I have every color combination almost. And then we have our acetate. Look at how pretty that polka dot is. And it's a soft pink polka dot. Just gorgeous. Then we have another one. This one's like the teal blue polka dot. Just stunning. Here we have our, what do you call this one? Vellum. Vellum in that same print of the bag. Just gorgeous. Here we have another vellum. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. I love that one. And here we have the black and white polka dots with the blue floral print. Just gorgeous. Again, you get 2 sets. And then we get the coral. And here we go. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And there you have it, guys. That is my July Planner Society unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are interested in subscribing to the Planner Society, I will leave the link down below for you guys to go check them out. Again, it's only, you get the box every other month. So the next box that we'll get is in September. Yeah, because we got this one in July, so the next one's in September. And you pay for it every other month, which is good for your pocket. It's not that expensive for the amount that you pay. I feel like it's definitely worth the box. If you love florals, I feel like the box will never tire you out. I feel like you're always gonna love it. If you don't, then it's probably not for you because it's always florals. But yeah, other than that, it's so pretty. You can do so much with it. You could use it for TNs, crafting, all that kinds of fun stuff. I'm subscribed to it because I absolutely love it, and I definitely recommend it. Alright, and that's pretty much it, you guys. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Welcome. I'm so excited to have you. I love you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.